Do you need a fast, accurate voice translator on the go? Whether you're traveling, studying, or just trying to bridge a language gap, here are 3 topics worth downloading: SayHi Travel Phrasebook and Translator. Let's break down the differences. SayHi is owned by Amazon, and it shows the voice recognition is fast, clean, and supports over 90 languages. You just speak and it speaks back. You can also slow down speech or switch between male and female voices. Interface slick, free, no ads, perfect for real-time back and forths. Travel Phrasebook is a little bit old school, but super handy when you're offline. It comes preloaded with essential phrases across categories like restaurants, transport, or emergencies. No real-time voice input here, just tap to play, native quality recording. Great for travelers who want zero setup, guaranteed access without Wi-Fi. And Translator offers voice, camera, text, and offline translation. It's the most full-featured of the bunch. You get phrase suggestions, verb conjugations, and even real-time voice translation in premium. The catch? The free version has ads, and offline mode is locked behind a paywall. So, use SayHi for smooth real-time conversations, Travel Phrasebook when you're offline and need key phrases fast, and iTranslate if you want an all-in-one translation toolkit and don't mind going premium. If you want a deeper dive or side-by-side, let me know. If you're using one of these, let us know as well. And subscribe, give this a like. Catch you next time.